we're going to a different economy, and we're going to be learning more about that as we go. But clearly, we're learning that things can be done from remote locations. We're learning that technology can replace people even more than we thought.
We're not going back to the same economy. We're recovering, but to a different economy, and it'll be one that is more leveraged to technology. And I worry that that is going to make it even more difficult than it was for many workers.
In Silicon Valley, and my friends who work in technology know that what we did to the manufacturing workers, we are now going to do to the retail workers, the call center workers, the fast food workers, the truck drivers, and then even bookkeepers, accountants, insurance agents, lawyers, and on through the economy. So what happened to the manufacturing workers is a very clear sign.
This effort. And China has big plans for this. They intend to seed their digital yuan into the global environment by giving it away to visitors at next winter's Olympics. When they arrive at the airport, they're going to get yuan digital wallets. They're going to receive digital yuan. They're going to use it throughout their visits to Beijing, and then they're going to take it back to their home countries. They see this as a huge advantage. Why? Because who controls the underlying protocols, who controls the underlying standards of the future of money will control the future of money.
Welcome to the Crypto Teacher. And guys, please like and subscribe if you do like what you're listening to. Please inform your friends and family and spread it all over social media. It is imperative that we get back to learning finances and understand how the world really works. Because once we understand how the world really works, we understand that it's all planned out. Now, I want to thank those who purchased the books, Cryptoteacher and the New World Order book. Remember, those books are mandatory because they show you how the world really works. Also, the 3 Kids books. It's time to re-educate. Plus, those who donate to the Cash App, Patreon, much love, keep it coming. And those who are shopping at both stores, much love, keep it coming. And of course, guys, we get into Bitcoin and cryptos first, and we see the selling pressure. And we're not getting any help from stablecoins. I put the grayscale link inside of my Patreon, so therefore you can see some of the selling pressure, guys. So we had back and grayscale at the same time. We're definitely taking a dip. We expected that, but I'm not your financial advisor, not financial advice. Please do your own research. But guys, you buy when there's blood in the streets. So just watch the indicators. Yes, we're dipping, but we know we're going to actually move back up. We do this every single month, but on the top of it, we had grayscale, like I stated, that's putting even more pressure on things. Now we have the UBS CEO says he does not have FOMO, says crypto is an untested asset category. And guys, we know from the banks, we always have the Hegelian dialectic. We're going to go into more of the Hegelian dialectic with some of the politicians asking for a boycott of China's digital yuan due to privacy. Now, guys, we also have Bitcoin falls to 6 for daily revenue behind Ethereum, Uniswap, Binance Smart Chain, Aave, Sushi Swap. But guys, we know Bitcoin Lightning is working right behind the scene. But when we actually look at Ethereum, we know that London fork is coming up. If Bitcoin maintains the area that it is right now, I'm definitely looking at Ethereum at about 15 to 16 and then move back up. Now, guys, do not forget to pay attention to the actual indicators. We have volume, we have Tether, we have USDC, which we're not getting anything from Tether. It's actually going backwards, but USDC moved up a little. And then we have Binance coin went up another billion, so that's moving up. So, guys, we have to make sure that we're paying attention to Binance's stablecoin. And then also the Fed. They did $800 billion on Friday. They did another $800 billion on Monday. So, guys, that's almost $1.7 trillion that they actually did. But like I stated, guys, we knew that we had back and grayscale, so we know we're going to take that dip. But we definitely going to move up a little. But, guys, do not forget, they need to shrink the liquidity, stock market and cryptos in order to build this 4th industrial revolution. And then we're going to see that 1% of cryptos move to the actual top. Now, getting over into a little crypto news, guys, we have Treasury Secretary Yellen urges lawmakers to quickly introduce stablecoin guidelines. Remember, guys, they came at the last minute with this topic. And then, of course, we knew we had grayscale. So a lot of distraction. And grayscale announces the fund, the index. So, guys, do not pay attention to the actual distractions. Always keep your eye on the money. We've already heard this from several politicians that regulation needs to come in for cryptos and stablecoins. Now, again, guys, the USDC, Mastercard to start testing it for payments. And then plus, guys, we know what Paxos is doing with real-time settlement. So, guys, it's very, very important that we watch these moving pieces because it's the same banks taking over crypto. That is not going to change. Now, we have the U.S. lawmakers pulling the Hegelian dialectic, says they do not want Olympian athletes to use the digital yuan in the 2022 games due to privacy concerns. Now, guys, think about it. How long have I been playing that Giancarlo video, him telling you what China wanted to do? So that means this was planned years ago, and they wait 7 months before the Olympics to ask for a boycott of the China digital yuan. And then also, guys, we have China pumping money out of the U.S. with Bitcoin. And then also, guys, you have to make sure you're looking at the stock listings also. China is going to be that new world power. Everybody's going to be wanting to list on their exchange. That's the reason why we're starting to see more and more of the Hegelian dialectic. Now, guys, getting over into adoption, we have Axe, the body spray, reveals the dogecoin. And we have BlockFi ordered to stop onboarding New Jersey-based customers. And we have Andreessen, my guy, hires ex-BitGo Ariana Simpson to assist running the $2.2 billion crypto fund. And guys, you know Andreessen is my guy. Only thing I have to do is follow the money, guys. Do what I teach you. Now we have Osprey Fund CEO says the U.S. will approve a Bitcoin ETF sometime in 2022. And we definitely see the Bitcoin ETF being kicked down the road. We have several Bitcoin ETFs, but it's not affecting the price. If the United States was to approve a Bitcoin ETF, it wouldn't do much unless it had regulation. Then you can start moving that pension money in, and we know sky's the limit when you start doing that. Now we have Bank of America selects Cacao blockchain arm for the digital yuan test. And guys, remember the Asian connection is leading us into the fourth industrial revolution. Now we have Coinbase sued over dogecoin sweepstakes and campaign. And the $5 million class action suit state that Coinbase failed to communicate that a person could enter the sweepstakes without purchasing $100 worth of dogecoin. Now we have Polygon launches blockchain games and NFT studio. Guys, we know how important gaming is going to be in blockchain and tokenization. And then lastly, guys, we have Elon Musk will attend the up-and-coming Bitcoin conference. And guys, that is tomorrow. And of course, I'll bring you a video tomorrow about that just to make you think. But that's all I have for you guys. Don't forget about the books, Cryptoteacher and the New World Order book, plus the 3 kids books. Also, if you're new to cryptos, Coinbase, Bitrue, Binance, do not forget, book links and crypto links are in the description. The Cryptoteacher stock channel, Cryptoteacher stocks. You have your Cobalt, your chip stocks, your banking, your gaming, where everybody's sitting at home, got that home stocks, the C-word, the biotech stocks. And while everybody's at home getting free money or waiting on that free money, what are they doing? Drinking and smoking weed. Don't forget about those stocks, and you have a wonderful day. The most powerful person in the world is the storyteller. The storyteller sets the vision, values, and agenda of an entire generation to come. Steve Jobs. And guys, you know I truly believe in this. When you look at the New World Order, they're the storytellers. And that's the reason why I wrote my New World Order book. But guys, now it's time to change the current generation. And I wrote 3 kids books. You know, I love the Trinity because I understand the power that's in it. So I have 3 books. We have an opportunity to change the generation, to educate, not just me, but I want to show you that I take action on a daily basis. And I want you to take action on a daily basis. Whether it's your job, whether it's in your community, we have an opportunity right now to educate the masses. I posted this on my Twitter account. Please share, but this is a short clip of the 3 books. There's going to be a clothing line and action figures. Please get these books for your kids, nephews, cousins, friends, so therefore we can start the re-education now. Because as we see, the fourth industrial revolution foundation is definitely here. Robots, algorithms, drones, taking humanity out the picture. We have to re-educate. But let's get into the video.
Part 1. King Joshua and Grandma Tam save the village. Part 2. King Joshua and Grandma Tam save New York from COVID-33. Part 3. King Joshua and Grandma Tam goes to China.
It's mandatory to get part 1, part 2, and part 3 of this series. It's time to re-educate Generation Z.